Wire splicing and crimping is very important process to automotive wire harness assembly. This JM300B can do one to multi-ends or multi to multi-end wire splicing and crimping. It support 4 to 4 ends and completes protect tube shrinking as well. It adopts U-shaped wire picking mode, which is used for cutting and stripping. Crimping one end and stripping the other end only, then putting all wires to be combined together. Completing the tube sleeve and sending the group to the splicing and crimping station to complete the crimping. And then positioning the sleeve to the correct position after image detection to check processing quality. After these all, it will send the sleeve to shrinking station to complete the final shrinking process. The whole process is fully automatic and unmanned. Thanks for watching our video. We will continue to introduce more solutions to provide better ideas and recommendations to the related industry.